Hi friends, welcome to the video lecture series of electrical circuits. Let us study the basics of electrical circuits and types of electrical circuits.
Welcome to our channel RLC. Myself Akshita S presenting you this topic. Let's begin with the topic.
What is electrical circuit? An electrical circuit is an interconnection of various elements in which there is least one closed path for the flow of current. Consider a circuit which consists of battery, that is DC source, and the element resistor. Element can be a two-terminal or three-terminal, which are interconnected to form closed path. When there is a closed path, a current can easily flow in the circuit. Next, we'll discuss on types of electrical circuit. Types of electrical circuit can be classified based on the supply, based on the connection, based on the element type, based on the direction of current, based on the character of an element. Let us discuss in detail about types of circuit. First is based on supply, that is AC circuit and DC circuit. AC circuit, what is AC circuit? A circuit which contains an AC source is called as AC circuit. For example, consider a circuit consists of R, resistor, inductor, L, and capacitor C, which are interconnected to an AC supply. Since it is connected to an AC supply, hence it is called as AC circuit. Next is DC circuit. What is DC circuit? A circuit consists of DC source is called as DC circuit. Consider a circuit consists of R, L, C, which are connected to a DC source, hence it is called as DC circuit. Next is based on the connection or the condition of circuit. It can be classified as open circuit, closed circuit, and short circuit. What is open circuit? Whenever there is a break in a circuit, current cannot complete its path through the load. Such circuit is called open circuit. For example, consider a circuit. A battery and the resistors are not connected. There is an open in the circuit. Hence, it is called as open circuit. Next is closed circuit. The closed circuit in which the current completes its path for the flow of electric current through the load is called as closed circuit. Consider a circuit which consists of a battery and the resistor, and the current can easily flow because it completes its path. Next is short circuit. Whenever the positive terminal and the negative terminal of the battery touches each other, then the current directly passes back to the supply. Such circuit is called as short circuit. Consider a circuit, a battery and the resistors are interconnected, and one wire is connected directly to the positive terminal and the negative terminal of the battery. Therefore, the current flows back to the supply and forms a short circuit. Next is based on the circuit elements, that is active circuit and passive circuit. Active circuit, the circuit which contains one or more EMF source or current source is known as active circuit. For example, in this circuit there is only one AC source. Such circuit is called as AC Such circuit is called as active circuit or AC circuit. Next is passive circuit. What is passive circuit? The circuit which does not contain any EMF or current source is known as passive circuit. Let us consider an example. In this circuit, it does not contain any source. Such circuit is called as passive circuit. Next is based on the direction of current. It can be classified as unilateral circuit and bilateral circuit. Unilateral circuit. The circuit which changes its property and characteristics with respect to the direction of operation. Example, diode circuit. If diode anode is connected to the positive terminal of the battery and cathode is connected to negative terminal of the battery, then it starts conducting. So the current starts flowing. Suppose if the diode anode is connected to negative terminal of the battery and cathode is connected to positive terminal of the battery, then it acts as an open circuit. So it is changing its behavior with respect to the direction of operation. Next is bilateral circuit. The circuit which does not changes its property and behavior with respect to the direction of operation. Example is resistor circuit. Resistor can be either connected to positive or negative. Next is based on the characteristics. That is linear circuit and non-linear circuit. Linear circuit are those do not change their values with respect to voltage or current. Example is resistor circuit. Non-linear circuit. Non-linear circuit are those which changes their value with respect to voltage and current. That is diode circuit. Hi friends, please subscribe our channel and click on bell button.
Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, follow our website www.rlc-eee.com.